Alright, so while Nick is filming his podcast, I thought I would go to the nearest Michael's to find some stuff for Christmas, for decorations, and I literally... Crafter's Paradise, in the same shopping center, like 1, 2, 3, 4, there is a Dollar Tree, a Michael's, a Joann's, and a Hobby Lobby. Oh, and then there's Target, so if you needed anything. Seriously? Seriously, where have you ever seen that? Dollar Tree, Michael's, Joann's, and a Hobby Lobby, and then Target. Dollar Spot? I don't know. Well, I guess I'm gonna find some good things, so here we go. There was so much cute decor at Michael's, even this sign for snow day. I wish we had those here in Southern California, but everything was on sale. All of their Christmas decor was 50% off. They had all this cute stuff for those little mini trees. I think I'm gonna decorate one this year for my office at work. At Joann's, they had a ton of really cute signs and more of that rustic decor for Christmas, which I really like. I love the traditional green and red with a lot of the wood tones. So Joann's had a lot of that if that's what you're looking for. Alright, so I was trying to go into Hobby Lobby, totally forgot. They're closed on Sundays, so I'll have to skip that and maybe come back later. But as I was walking by, literally anything you want to decorate or to craft or to just keep yourself busy, it's in this shopping center. It's crazy. Since Hobby Lobby was closed, I went over to Target to check out the Dollar Spot. They had some cute stuff for planning for Christmas, including this super cute budget notebook that had not only days of the weeks like any other planner, but it also at the very back had an area where you could just list out everyone that you have, gifts, guest lists, budgets, everything that you need to plan for the holidays. It was super cute. So after Target, I was gonna just head home, but instead I decided to kind of drive around the shopping center to see if there was anything else, and there was an at-home store. I don't know if any of you have ever been to one of these, but it was absolutely insane, like blowing my mind how much stuff they had for Christmas and any absolute theme that you wanted. So this area is like all blue. They had like peacock feathers. They have that very traditional green and red. They had super cute things for pink, very neutral tones. They also had this section that was kind of like a winter wonderland with the little fairies and stuff. Anything that you could imagine, even an upside down tree, at home had it. So if you have one nearby, I would definitely recommend checking it out. I feel like I need to do a whole new shop with me for just this store at home. It literally has like everything and anything you could imagine. Like I feel like I need Alright, Alright, that's enough shopping for me. I was able to pick up a few things, but I definitely got a ton of inspiration for Christmas decorations. So now I'm gonna get back to the house and start cleaning. I'm starting in the bedroom, getting everything up off the floors, dusting.
Some people want diamond rings, some people want snow, some people want everything tied in string and bows. I can't think of a single thing for my list this year, 'cause all that I'll ever need I have right here. I got all I want this year for Christmas. Don't need no presents underneath the tree, 'cause all I want this year for Christmas is waking up with you right here next to me. You took me by the hand, brought me in from the cold. You gave me the kind of love, oh, that feels like home.
So I still have a bit of our fall decor out. I'm definitely going to be decorating for Christmas soon. I'm just trying to figure out what weekend works best because we're planning to be away for Thanksgiving. And I want to do a decorate with me for Christmas. So turn on your notifications and make sure you subscribe so you can see it when it gets posted.
Don't need no presents underneath the tree, 'cause all I want this year for Christmas is waking up with you right here next to me. Oh, take the bells in the city, take the lights on the tree, 'cause this year for Christmas I've got all I need. I got all I want this year for Christmas. Don't need no presents underneath the tree, 'cause all I want every year for Christmas is waking up with you right here next to me.
Well, Nick busted out the office because he turned it into a studio for his podcast this morning. So this is gonna be fun. I'm gonna try and put it all back where it should go, but I'll need his help moving the desk, so that's gonna have to stay. But
Ho, ho, bring a bottle of rum. Ho, 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 cream and whiskey bourbon. Ho, 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 bring a bottle of booze. We got nothing to lose. Ho, 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 bring a friend if you please. Ho, ho.
so one of my new holiday hacks is pillow covers and placemats. It's like two super easy things and inexpensive things that you can do, and it just changes the entire look and feel of the area.
Don't get better than this. Ho, 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 in the land of misfits. Ho, 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 we're all losing our lids. We got nothing but this. Ho, 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 come be our family. Ho, 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 this is Christmas, baby. Ho, 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 bring a friend if you please. Bring them all to their knees. Ho, ho, ho.
In my last video, we used a drying rack for all our dishes, but since we have such limited counter space, I wanted to try out the dishwasher. So I always feel so guilty because you have to basically wash everything prior to it going into the dishwasher anyways, but we're gonna try it out. So all I have left in the house is to mop the floors, and I'm just totally debating on whether or not I want to actually do this office. Oh, like I said, it kind of got torn apart earlier today because Nick was filming a podcast, and we moved the desk and we moved the drum set into our bedroom, which I think it's gonna stay there so that I can have a desk in this room. But yeah, I just don't know. Ooh.